morning, everyone, from the Walt Disney World Resort here in Orlando, Florida. I'm Janine from Bucation.com and at Bucation on your favorite social media channel. Today we're here at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, a moderate resort at the Walt Disney World Resort, and we are heading into Magic Kingdom. So let's go grab that bus and head on into the park. Thanks, how are you? Good.
You all set? Have a great time.
Thank you. As soon as we came in, we have Eeyore, Piglet, Rabbit, all hanging out at the train station. But where's Pooh? Heading into outer space.
Your kids, if any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Best remove them. You did best remove them. Having lunch once again here at Cosmic Rice. We've got the Mickey Sipper, the hot dog and french fries. Couldn't resist this cute little guy. He is so adorable. Happy birthday, Mickey. Who's driving this thing?
You are.
I am. Why am I the driver?
This is the only thing you're allowed to drive.
I was gonna say, you tell me I'm a lousy driver all the time.
I know. But there's a rail to keep us in place.
I think this thing drives a little different than my Mini Cooper. Does she have twin turbo?
I doubt it. It should be much different than how you drive it now. It was.
It's about the same size as my car.
That's not bacon.
It's the car.
It's the bacon for what they're making for the chicken sandwich.
Oh, yeah. And the cheeseburgers.
A lot of really bad drivers out there.
You know, statistically, Mary, you're more inclined to get into an accident on the way to the airport.
You're more likely.
There's really nothing to worry about, Mary. Statistically, they say you're more likely to get killed on the way to the airport. You know, like in a head-on crash or flying off a cliff or getting trapped under a gas truck. That's the worst. I have this cousin. Well, I have this.
Lloyd, could you keep your eyes on the road, please?
Oh, yeah. Good thinking. Can't be too careful. A lot of bad drivers out there.
There it is. You got the Dukes of Hazzard.
85.
Okay. Please don't hurt me.
I'm ready to go.
Please don't hurt me. Okay. Hold on.
Yeah, I've done this before.
I was gonna say you're taking off and he's not ready for you to go.
Well, I don't know what he was doing.
Uh-oh, we got a breakdown already.
Oh no. I'm starting to feel a little lightheaded from the fumes. Like back in the day in your Honda.
Oh, yeah.
That takes me back.
Okay. Yeah, it's about par for the course.
Oh my god, what's happening? We're gonna crash.
Yeah, you gotta tell me if I gotta stop. Did it.
Woo-hoo!
Here we go. Let's catch them. We're gaining on them. See if we can close the distance on them by the end.
Are we all the way to the floor?
Or 10.
I feel like the car's falling apart.
It probably is. I guess I figure if it falls all the way apart, you don't have far to go, then 8 inches onto the ground.
I've definitely broken down in one before and they had to come get me.
Ring, 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 ring.
You sound just like the car. Caution, you are approaching the unloading area. Do not strike the car ahead of you.
Coming in. Coming in hot.
Okay.
Please slow down and do not strike the car ahead. We got this.
They're hot brakes. We got some hot brakes here. What the hell is the log jam up here ahead for?
We've got our spot here on the hub grass with our popcorn, our water, our Mickey sipper. Beautiful day here in the Magic Kingdom. Marching band is about to come down Main Street. Maybe we'll catch it. 2:15, instead of waiting for our bus to Caribbean Beach, we moved down to Pop Century so we could just ride the Skyliner down. Well, that bus didn't come. Riviera's bus came. So the nice thing about those 3 resorts is, wherever you are, you can just hop on a bus from one of those 3 resorts and then walk or ride the Skyliner back to your bus.
To your hotel.
To your hotel.
In Caribbean Beach.
Yeah.
Or anything else.
Riviera or Pop Century. Like,
It gets you in the neck of the woods.
yeah, we'll probably just walk back because we're in Jamaica, which is not far from Riviera. The closest to Riviera is Aruba, so if you're staying in Aruba, you can just take the Riviera bus back if it's the first one back. I know Disney discourages you from doing that, but
Rather than wasting an hour of your time waiting for a bus that you're probably not, it's going to come, but you're not going to get all of it.
yeah, unfortunately, time is money here.